Today we will discuss a problem which is given in July 2018 for 10 marks. The problem is a line PQ is 108 mm long, has its plan and elevation lengths are 60 mm and 90 mm respectively. One end of the line PQ is in HP while the other end is in the VP. Draw its projections and locate its traces. So here what he gave is P is in HP and the other end Q is in VP. So first we will draw in three-dimensional view. So I will make the solution very simple. So you need not think much. This is a typical problem. So this is the horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane. One end P is in the HP. So P is in the HP. So the point P is in the horizontal plane. So then the top view will be the same point. Top view will be the same point, and where the point intersects the horizontal plane is the horizontal trace. So you can locate the trace directly. The same point is the horizontal trace as well as the small p is the top view. Similarly, the point Q is given in the vertical plane. Q is in the vertical plane. So its front view will be on the same point, and the same point is the vertical trace. Same point is the vertical trace. Then if you and the length in front view, this is the length in front view. So when the P is on a horizontal trace on the horizontal plane, so if you project this, will fall on the reference point. So that is P dash, and this is Q dash. If you draw the projector, it meets the reference line in a point. That point is Q. And what he gave, P dash Q dash is the front view. The front view length is given 90 mm and the top view length is given 60 mm. So this is 90 mm and this is 60 mm. So we are getting now rotate this plane so that it will come vertically. So now we can draw it very simply. So just to draw a reference line XY, and on the reference line you can mark Q P dash, and the horizontal trace, the position of horizontal trace falls on the reference line, that is small h, and the projector of the vertical trace falls on the reference line, that is small v. So the same point is Q and P dash, V and H, and the front view length is 90 mm and the plan length is 60 mm. So just to draw it vertically, 90 mm. So this point is small p as well as the horizontal trace. So draw the projector to the vertical, and this point is Q dash vertical trace. So this is the solution is very simple, and this length is front view length is 90 mm and the top view length is 60 mm. So the line is contained by the profile plane. Now the line is like this. This is the true length of the line, which is 108. So when the line is one end is on HP, other end is on VP, the line is contained by the profile plane, parallel to the profile plane. The true length can be seen in the side view. The true length you can see in the side view. If you want to draw the true length, you can draw here, but that is not asked in the question. In the question, what you want the front view, which is P dash Q dash, and the top view, which is PQ, and the horizontal trace and the vertical trace. So that the solution is very simple.